So I get this question all the time. Jeremy, how do you come up with the ideas for your videos? Well, I'll tell you. What I do is I video record myself and then I watch them back on the computer and write those ideas down. Take a look at this. So next week I had an idea that we could do for my search. I think that we could do need a break. MLS moment. Alright, so today we're going to show you how to set up a quick search template. This is going to allow you to save all of your criteria in the order that you want them so that every time you come and do a quick search you have your own custom setup for a search. Let's get started. Okay, so today we're going to start with RealtyWEB.net. RealtyWEB.net is the website for the MLS, so we're going to start there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to just go right over to the MLS login button and we're just going to log into the MLS the normal way. Okay, so once we get logged into the MLS here, we're going to start a quick search. So I'm just going to go to menu, I'm going to type in quick, and I'm just going to click on quick search. And that's going to bring us up to the traditional residential search here. Now, you don't have to stay on residential. You can switch it over to condo, rental, whatever type of property that you'd like to start off with for this template. Okay. The next step is going to be to decide what we want to keep on here from the residential already. So for instance, I have on here the MLSs that we share, location, status, price, bedrooms, bathrooms, etc. And I might want to not have some of these things here on my template. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a couple of these. So for instance, I don't think I'm going to use mobile or manufactured home for this template. So I'm going to go ahead and remove it by clicking the X right over there. See, and that just takes it away. So next we're going to go down here where it says add a field to search. And this is where I can add fields that I know I'm going to use on a regular basis for my customized search. Let's say for instance I am always searching for things that have to do with pools. So I will choose pool, and you'll see all of the criteria that have to do with pool come underneath pool or hot tub. Now I could choose one of these individually or all of these individually if I'd like, but I want to just get them all at one time, so I'm going to choose this header that says pool hot tub, and if I click that it's going to put all of them over there in line. See how it does that? Next let's do community items. I am going to do the same thing with club community items, and there are a lot of those, but I'd like them to be on my list, so I'm going to go ahead and put them on there. So that's how you can add items. To remove items, again, all I have to do is click the X and it will remove an item. So if you'd like to remove something, just take it away. If you'd like to add something, come down here where the green plus sign is and add it. Okay, so now I'm going to close this. So now the template is set up the way I like it. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to come right up over here. Now I have to make sure that I'm on this edit search tab. You can't be on the list or the detail or anything like that. And I'm just going to click save. And you'll see that save quick search template is available. So now I'm going to click save quick search template. I'm just going to name this Jeremy's search. So then I click save. And now it's done. So I'm just going to click that home button here. And now the next day, if I come back to start my quick search, I just click on quick search. It's still going to say residential up there, but if I click the drop down, in the drop down, it's going to say Jeremy's search. And if I click on that one, it's now going to have all of those items that I need to do my searches on a regular basis. And that's just going to save me time. And that's all there is to it. Okay, I hope that helped you out today. Remember, if you have any suggestions on what we should be doing on these MLS Moment videos, please send us an email to services@realtyweb.net. I'll put it right up here. Remember also that you don't have to use just residential searches. You can create these searches to do anything that you want them to do. They can be vacant land, they can be investment income, they can be condominiums, they can be anything. And you can have as many of them as you want. All right, everybody, thanks again. This has been the MLS Moment.